How to use currencies in Marvel Rivals. So basically, the first one is the lattice, second is the units, and the next one is the chrono tokens. So lattice are the currency that you could only buy right here with real money. So these are the options. And next is the units, which you could also use or is the main currency for buying skins or cosmetics or sprays or everything here on Marvel Rivals. So as you can see, all of these are bought using units. And right here on the battle pass, so I'm just going to go to battle pass right here. If you want to purchase a battle pass, you will need the lattice. So that's one of the ways you could use your lattice if you have. And another way to use your lattice is just by going here on the store and go here. So let's say you have like 1000 units right here, the blue one. And if you're going to buy something, you could either buy them with lattice or units. So if you have 1000 units, what you can do is buy 600 lattice, which then can combine and buy a skin that you want. So it will combine right here. If you have 600 lattice and 1600 units, or I mean 1000 units, you could combine them to make up for the units that you are lacking to buy that particular skin or this skin, for instance. So you could also get units here on the achievements page. Right here on the heroic journey, when you finish this, you could get all of these units. So there's a ton of units that you can get for free right here when you progress throughout all of this. But it's only limited. The free units are only limited. So do mind what you buy on the store right here if you want to buy a skin or something. And as for the chrono tokens, what it's used for is here on the battle pass. So as you can see, if you purchase something on the battle pass right here, you could unlock them, or if you're using the free battle pass, you could unlock all of these free ones without the luxury icon with your chrono tokens. But if you have battle pass, you could unlock all of this by using your chrono tokens that are earned in game and by doing achievements. And also the missions one right here where you go. As you can see, you can unlock the chrono tokens here on the missions. You could also unlock units, as you can see right here, 60 and 60. And that's how I basically earn and use the currencies here on Marvel Rivals.